bam, 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 bam. Here we go. Uh, yeah. I know you people ain't seen the shit that I've seen. Drafted from the ghetto, but I'm still with my team. Man, I'm smoking on the shit that'll make your eyes bleed. White cup full of perp, you know that I lean like a lady with only one leg. You got a party going on to get a pound in a keg and break it down like a play in a football game. And if you're playing basketball, then I'ma drive the lane and dunk all on the dunkers and switch my 3-pointers and just make every shot until I'm proclaimed the winner. Lord, forgive me, I'm a sinner, but I'm just a beginner, so correct me if I'm wrong. Father God, you my nigga. And I don't think they hear me, I don't think I'm speaking clearly. Everything is from the heart, oh yes, I mean it dearly. This is just like a page from my life diary. Everything I say is what I do every day, but I ain't playing games, just like Monopoly. Every time I move forward, y'all move back to space. It's my time to shine, I bet you'll go one day. But right now I'm winning, so everybody shout hooray. Yeah, I'm ballin' like the Miami Heat does. And if you wanna box with me, then put up the big gloves, then get knocked to the street. Cause it hitting your peach for them to light you up like I do to my beat, bruh.